Good morning, guys. It is Friday, October 10th. October 10th, and 5 minutes before New York Open. Let's see. US 30 is looking kind of bullish after that drop. You can kind of see like accumulation, then manipulation, then distribution upwards, probably. Because overall it is bullish. Overall, if you go to the daily, it is bullish. You can see it's making structure, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows. I just hope it comes. I think I might have missed the entry. Like probably a few minutes before I started this video, because the 15-minute closed and then retraced already. But we'll see. So we just needed like a little retrace to buy. Just gonna have a small stop, like 30 points. And then going for 1 or 2 to the daily imbalance. Yesterday was bearish, taking the trade upwards to the daily imbalance. London took Asian's low, or it accumulated, then probably manipulate upwards, then distribute downwards, and probably go ahead and take that London's low. But I'm gonna look for a quick buy all the way up to the imbalance. Probably hit that 1 hour gap / 4 hour gap. We have 2 minutes, so we'll see in 2 minutes. 2 minutos. Let's get everything set up. What else can I tell you guys? 1 hour. Retracing to 1 hour balance. SPX is accumulating just like NAS 100, but let's just wait for 6:30, see what it does. Looks like NAS 100 pushed up after it dropped. I was in sales yesterday over here and it got stopped break even. And then I believe it tested the weekly's high and the daily high. I forgot, to be honest. And it pushed back up. So I expect NAS to just keep on pushing. But we will see with that though. We'll see with that. I just feel like NAS is going to be accumulating. I don't think I'm going to get a retrace on this, to be honest. Yeah, she's gone, bro. I missed the entry, bro. I was too busy watching fucking YouTube how to customize my Mac. I changed a few settings. But damn, I actually missed it. That's tough. I didn't think it was gonna push without me, bro. I was really watching this freaking video right here. This 12-minute video. How to cuss the ultimate max setup tutorial. Oh, yeah, I missed it, guys. Tough. That's tough. Damn, brother. Damn, brother. See what Naz is doing. Worst case scenario, I'm not gonna trade today. Just wait for next week. I don't want to force a trade, to be honest. We have a 4-hour maybe. I really like that that trade, to be honest. That US 30 idea. I really liked it. I just damn, that's really tough. Like literally, at 6 a.m. literally. Wow. Tough, guys. She's fucking gone. Goner. Everything's bullish. How much is this? Okay. Let's see this. Nez. What the hell? Zero point zero seven. In buys on Nez. Having a 30-point stop. Because we tested that imbalance already. US 30's out of there. I already hit TP3. SPX. Seems like they're all bullish. I think I had my entry. Where'd I have my entry at? A little bit above. So, like right here. Yeah, exactly right there. Was it TP? Where's TP1 at? Fuse 30's out of there, dude. She pushing. She is pushing. SPX is pushing. Come on, Naz. You can do it. Let's just put a TP here. Or, not a TP, alert. I have so much OCD, bro. I gotta have this shit all perfect. And there's also news at 7 AM, but I have a feeling that it's not gonna do shit. Stops. What the fuck? Oh shit. Wait. Is that right? Oh. And then what else I was gonna do? This is TP1, TP2, TP3. Alright. TP1 is just above Asian High. If it takes Asian High, I don't think it would, because it really pushed up. Where I think we're gonna just continue bullish above the daily high, come up, retest the daily high as in balance. That's why I feel like, because we came back to the weekly high to test it. Yesterday we tested it. If we look at it, see, yesterday we tested it, and I just feel like we're gonna continue. We're gonna do exactly what yesterday did. Did that black candle, came back to retest. Black candle. It's kind of the same shit, same thing. What I did the day before that: black, blue, black, and then blue, black, and then maybe blue. Alright, TP1. TP1, gonna go to stops break even. $251, shit, 5166.4. Alright, stops break even. I was just waiting to see if it was gonna reject or not. Actually, I'm gonna wait a little bit. Yeah, it stops break even. Let me just check that it's on break even. Yeah, it's on break even. I just hope it doesn't do what it did yesterday, bro. 15 minutes is very bullish. Don't do that again, come on. It took Asian High. Do not come back to break even. I swear, if you come back to break even, you stupid bitch. Do not come back to the break even. Don't even dare to come back down. $7 AM. What time is it? 39. Just come to the TP2 and not be done. One and done and out of here. Was it 61 points? Delete this. Let's check. Shaq Naz. Oh my god! Yeah, Brody. If I was here, not if I wasn't watching that video, I would have took that. Cause it really came up. It pushed up a little bit above that 1 hour or 4 hour gap. It was a 4 hour gap, right? Yeah. And then it fucking retraced just a little bit and then fucking pushed. Damn. Diddy Candle. SPX. I feel like it's gonna chop. It's gonna chop around. Fucking Naz is gonna chop around, bro. Ah, Naz, bro. Don't do this to me. I don't want to be a break-even day. And I don't want to take out 101 because I'm not no bitch. 4 more minutes until 15-minute candle closes. I just hope she doesn't come back down and stop me out. Cause Naz is really pushing for that previous day high, bro. Or it might not, to be honest. Or it's pretty bullish, I don't know. No wick at the bottom. No, it's wicked. So SPX is pushing, but Naz is just straight bullshitting. Maybe come back to this right here. Following up. Did it come back to retest that or no? Not yet. Sucks I got work tomorrow. Fucking hate work.
Is there any better feeling than
Middle finger said it.
Is there any better feeling? Is there any?
The fuck? Huh? Am I tripping? What just happened? Yo, you telling me in 1 minute that shit just tapped it as soon as I placed it? What the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? See if that shit. Wait, what? What does this say? My shit tapped 2 times? I'm confused. Bro, Naz, just push already, man. US 30 is literally out of here. Oh my god. What is that? That would have been. What the fuck? 105? Going to 106? TP6? Holy shit, walls, bro. SPX is out of here. Oh, finally. Naz is pushing now. Damn, bro. Today's a Friday. Till y'all inactive. I'm not looking to hold this trade, to be honest. If I was in US 30 though, holy moly, I had a feeling it was gonna go to the previous day high. Cause this wick right here, it looks like a magnet for price, to be honest. Even this right here too. Yeah, look at that. NAS is US 30. NAS, or that's not NAS. Same with NAS too. Chopping up there. Chopping up. Ugh. You're like what? 10 pips away from TP2, just like yesterday. Literally yesterday you were 10 pips away from my TP2. Don't do this to me again, bro. Don't do this to me again, as just push like US 30, just push like SPX. Look at that bullish fucking bar on SPX. Oh my god. Holy shit, man. Like, just push already, bro. Just push. If I win this trade, I will be almost break even for this week. Yeah, I just need to win the next trade and then I'll be more than break even, winning a little bit more. And then after that, I gotta win at least 200 maybe, 250, 280 maybe, around there. Jesus, bro. Oh my god. You're 20 pips away from my TP2. And then the closest it got to TP2 was what, 10 pips, I said? Or 11, almost 12 pips. But now she's bullshitting right now. She is bullshitting right now, bro. I'm gonna still hold it down though. Worst case scenario, break even. Didn't win nothing. I just don't like how 15 minutes reversing. US 30 is reversing. All of that. Oh my god, bro. Don't do this to me again. Bro. Don't do this to me again, Naz. Lord, man. I literally had like the same amount of profits yesterday. I hit like around 32, 33, 34 dollars in profit, and then just reversed. Same shit today. Oh my god, break even. You fucking whore, bro. What is this? God damn. And then it's gonna push back up. Oh my god, bro. I lost like $1.12 on that trade. Like hell. Like what, like hell. Kinda tempted to enter again. I guess that was news right there. What it did. Yeah, she's pushing back up. God damn, bro. Imagine taking profit for $30 and then coming back to entry and then retaking that. That is a whack. I don't like how I took that loss of $1.12. Don't like that. But honestly, if she's gonna push up without me, then so let it be it, bro. Let that be it. I think news had something to do with that. Like, that's a news candle maybe, and who knows what news can do. It might butt fuck you. So I'm not really answering. I thought I was gonna get the TP before news. I would have gotten TP before news if I would have entered US30, but I was watching that video. Goddamn video. Always gotta stay on a chart when you're locked in. So I'm gonna stay out of it. Cause I see this as a accumulation, and then manipulation, and then distribution downwards. It could either push up within the next hour and take that liquidity that it made at 6 a.m. and then take previous day high while I was at it, or news can really just flip the bias and be a bearish day, and then, or you could just chop around in this area. It is Friday though, I'm not really tripping. There's always other opportunities in the market. It just sucks that it happened to me again, bro. 10 pips away from TP2. Such a fucking whore, bro. Such a fucking whore. Alright, I don't know how long this video was, but if you guys enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and it's been fun trading. It's been really fun trading. Today, Today, let's say it was a break even, or kinda an L, because I took $1.12 loss. I don't know how. Maybe the volatility just and spread, probably the volatility and spread probably made me lose $1.12. So I'll be back next week on Monday. I gotta wait a whole ass week for this shit to open. A whole ass week, man. For all those traders out there, man, I fucking hate the weekends. It's a good thing that I work on the weekends, actually. So I have something to take my time up while I'm off the charts. So yeah, guess that's a good thing, I guess. But yeah, anyways, if you guys enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and catch you guys in the next video. Peace out. So US30, if I were to get back in after it stopped me on break even, I would have took an L of $20. That's 2 pips right there. 2 pips. That would have stopped me out, and I was not comfortable having a 50-point stop. I mean, yeah, that's below the low, the New York low, but my TP would have been all the way up here. So it would have been what, 50 maybe? Yeah, 50 points above the previous day high. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't like taking trades up here near the previous day high, just because of how risky that would be next to the all-time high, just because it might have a false break and then flip bearish maybe, and then take previous day low. This would be a good trade for a short if it had the false break and all, but my plan was to have a 30 point stop and take it to the previous day high, and it would have been, my TP2 would have been just 10 pips. Yeah, 10 pips above the previous day high, which is most likely gonna get hit, you know. So yeah, that was my trade idea. I was not comfortable having a 50-point stop. So yeah, I mean, I'm glad that I didn't take another trade. You know, if you think about it, having a break even and not taking a trade after a break even is a good idea, because if you think about it, if you were to win that trade, would you trade another trade after the W? If your answer is yes, you are a demon. But me, I'm not gonna do that dumb shit, to be honest. I'd rather just take one break even and then not trade again after it stops break even. That's just me, to be honest. Maybe in another scenario, like a better price action, I would trade again a second time, take a second trade. But for this scenario, I would not do that, just because of just because of what I just explained. Very close to the previous day high, and 50 points stops would be crazy. But yeah, just think about that though. 1 break even, 1 W. You would not trade again. Same shit, to be honest. It's like the market sparing your life, just hitting you break even. But let's look at US30. US30, holy shit, ski, bro. US30 is crazy. US30 is crazy, dude. God damn. SPX retraced. That's what, 550 pips maybe? I don't know. SPX, I don't really trade SPX. But honestly, what I could have done is wait for that long wick down and then enter. But who knows? Who knew that it would have made that long ass wick down? You know? Me, I would have just entered right away as soon as it hit that 1 hour gap. And I would have got butt fucked, to be honest. So thank God I didn't enter. But you could have had just waited. You could have just stayed on the 1 hour, wait for that long wick. Honestly, I see that happen like a lot of times whenever it has this order block or something like that. And then it would make a long wick down. Maybe to here too. Or if it had a fair value gap around here, it would have made that long wick. Right here, it just made a decent long wick. And yeah, you could just waited for that long wick and then entered as it went up. See if it... Honestly, I might take this right now. Oh, I might fuck that. Oh yeah. But I will go to sleep now because I have work tomorrow or today. Alright, peace out.